if you can share that information and take picture and make this information available, especially in advance, you will create demand and you will close this gap. At the end of the day, it goes back to closing the gap. So what I look in terms of trends in agriculture is that we need to attract the youth to come to the sector, because today the youth, they doesn't see that this is an attractive place to be. As you have heard back about the agriculture, we need to make it sexy, right? We need to make it attractive for the youth to come and look. I want to do that, and they need to see that it's not the old model anymore. That you need to have back problems, back pain, and very manual process. You need to attract them and influence them through the adoption of technology. They need to see the drone flying out. Once they see the drone is flying out, they say, "Look, I want to play that thing. You see, I want to play that thing that is that flying out."